So this is my instruction on how to use Google Drive. This is my little home page here. I have already created a folder for EDCI 270. I did that just by clicking new and clicking new folder, super easy. I'll double click here and open it up. I have made a subfolder entitled Theme Art History where I've been putting documents. So far, I have the assignment number 3 where we shared it with another person and edited it. That is right here. And then I have a document here, and I just created that through clicking new. And then whatever file you'd like to create, you can do that, and that will show up under this folder. I'm going to head and click this, double click it, and open up this document. As you can see, my computer / the internet is being super slow right now. To share this with other people, you can click this share button, and then you can title it. And here you can put people's email addresses so they can get on this saved document and edit it at the same time, or you can copy this link and share that as well. If you had opened up this document not under the folder already you want to put it under, you can just go here, click move to, and you can place it under this folder if it wasn't already here. Okay, that's all.